Okay, end of the day, I'm getting real tired. So what is infinite banking? I'll give it to you guys straight. So let's say you have an IUL policy. What you would do is you would fund that to the max, fund as much as you can. After that, your cash value will grow. Then you would take that cash value that's been, supercharged. You take a loan against it and make sure that that loan, the growth of your loan is lower than the growth of your cash value. So if your loan is at 5% interest rate, make sure the cash value that you have, your whole policy, make sure it's growing at 8, 7, 9. It's averaging those, because if it is, you're beating your loan in terms of how much you have to pay back. Now, you take that money that you loaned out and you invest that into like another business, or you invest in another way to get cash. And then once that's flowing and cash flowing, you take that cash and pay back your loan. And at the same time, your loan is paying itself off too. And then you rinse and repeat. That is the power of infinite banking. That is the power of the IUL. Whole life will never do that. Whole life is pretty much just super no risk, very minimal growth. You're constrained to 4 to 6%. So your pick. But that is my sprinkle of knowledge for today. That is literally how businesses and entrepreneurs make tons of money by leveraging life insurance.